The night sky over the remote Atacama Desert in Chile is famously clear, a tapestry of stars untouched by city lights. But on one particular Tuesday in late November, the stillness was shattered. It began not with a bang, but with a silent, searing streak of light, brighter than any star, hurtling towards Earth. It was an object that had traveled billions of miles, a relic from the dawn of our solar system, now making its final, fiery descent. For a fleeting moment, it was mistaken for a shooting star, a fleeting wish in the vast darkness. But then, as it grew larger and brighter, illuminating the desert floor in an eerie green glow, a low, guttural rumble began, a sound that resonated deep in the chest, not just in the ears. The object, later dubbed the Atacama Whisperer, wasn't alone. It was a cluster, a swarm of cosmic debris, breaking apart as it slammed into Earth's atmosphere. The initial impact was not a single catastrophic explosion, but a series of concussive blasts that echoed across the arid landscape. While no major cities were threatened, the remote scientific outpost of the ALMA Observatory, home to some of the world's most powerful telescopes, felt the full force. Scientists inside watched their instruments go haywire, their carefully calibrated dishes shaking violently as if an invisible giant was pounding the ground. Power flickered, alarms blared, and then a sudden, profound silence descended, punctuated only by the distant, diminishing rumbles. At dawn, a small expedition from ALMA set out to investigate. The air was thick with a strange, metallic scent, and the ground was littered with fragments of dark, scorched rock. But the main impact site was a crater, not massive, but perfectly formed, about 50 meters wide. And at its heart lay the largest fragment of the Atacama Whisperer. It was unlike any rock they had ever seen. The surface shimmered with iridescent blues and purples, as if alive, and despite its fiery descent, it was cool to the touch. A faint, almost imperceptible hum emanated from it, a low-frequency vibration that some swore they could feel more than hear. Dr. Lena Petrova, a leading astrobiologist, was among the first to examine the main meteorite. She carefully collected samples, her heart pounding with a mixture of scientific excitement and an almost primal awe. Under the microscope, the fragments revealed a unique crystalline structure, unlike anything found on Earth. More astonishingly, embedded within the matrix were microscopic organic compounds. Not life itself, but the complex building blocks of life, perfectly preserved, hinting at the potential for life elsewhere in the cosmos. It was a discovery that could rewrite textbooks, a direct message from the ancient universe. As word spread, the site became a magnet for both scientists and the curious. Locals spoke of ancient legends, of stones that sing, believing the meteorite was a returning spirit. The low hum, which intensified slightly at night, became a focus of fascination. Some claimed to hear faint, rhythmic patterns in it, like an alien language. While scientists dismissed these as pareidolia, the tendency to perceive meaningful images or sounds in random stimuli, the feeling of something ancient and alive emanating from the stone was undeniable. A few weeks after the impact, a series of strange phenomena began to occur around the main meteorite. Delicate, luminous fungi started to grow on the scorched soil nearby, glowing with an ethereal light at night. Nearby desert plants, usually hardy but slow-growing, experienced an accelerated growth spurt, their leaves vibrant with an unnatural intensity. Dr. Petrova's team discovered that the meteorite was emitting a unique form of low-level radiation, benign to humans, but seemingly stimulating to local flora. It was as if the Whisperer was gently breathing life into its new home. A few weeks after the impact, a series of strange phenomena began to occur around the main meteorite. Delicate, luminous fungi started to grow on the scorched soil nearby, glowing with an ethereal light at night. Nearby desert plants, usually hardy but slow-growing, experienced an accelerated growth spurt, their leaves vibrant with an unnatural intensity. Dr. Petrova's team discovered that the meteorite was emitting a unique form of low-level radiation, benign to humans, but seemingly stimulating to local flora. It was as if the Whisperer was gently breathing life into its new home. The Atacama Whisperer became a symbol, not of destruction, but of connection. It was a tangible link to the vast, mysterious universe, a messenger that brought with it the secrets of distant worlds and the potential for life beyond Earth. Dr. Petrova's research continues to this day, unraveling the meteorite's chemical and energetic properties. The hum, the glowing fungi, the clearer skies, they remain. A silent, constant reminder that sometimes the greatest events are not the loudest, but the ones that quietly reshape our understanding of everything. And in the heart of the Atacama, the ancient stone continues to whisper its secrets to those who listen.